Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Windows 11 firewall is not turning on. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search icon and search for services. Best result should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to go ahead and locate the Windows Defender Firewall service. And they do slowly change the name of this, so just again, if they end up changing it in the future, just looking for a service that says Firewall in the name of it. So Windows Defender Firewall in our case may say Windows Firewall or something else similar in the future, who knows, but go ahead and double click on that. If startup type is disabled, you want to go click inside the drop down and set it to automatic. And then once you're done with that, you would select the start button if service status was stopped. So again, startup type, make sure that's automatic. And if service status says stopped, select the start button and then select apply and OK. And then once you're done with that, if you attempt to turn the Windows Firewall on, it should be able to go on successfully. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.